Let's open the Hjc C70 Koro MC3. It's a blue and yellow one. This is a large size. The bag look nice. Okay, there you go. I like the yellow color, is really flashy. Is good because you can be seen on the road, you know, more than if you have a dark black helmet. Because nowadays there's a lot of black helmet, you know, but you don't really, you would pay more attention if you see somebody with a yellow helmet. So that's good. You have the vent on top, you have the vent here, and you can close the visor and then you open it like this. You can just close it like that, lock it, and then push it here to open. Then on top here you pull like that, you push, and then you got the double visor. The lock system is like this. Clip it inside. Hjc, of course, manual, and inside the foam look nice, comfortable. ICC sticker. The large size, weight 1.6 kilogram. It's ECE also. Yeah, C70 for you. Look nice. I like the double visor and the flashy color. It's nice. So the SRP for this is 6,990, so 7,000 pesos. Apart from KYT helmet, we also have TT-Course dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil, 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Wipro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available. So you just have to check in a link in this description for eClo by Aaron Manila on Facebook and just send us a message.